Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving power reaches the Chromebook. Plug a verified charger into a known good outlet and watch the charging LED or icon. If nothing shows, inspect the USB-C or barrel port closely for debris or damaged pins. Clean gently with compressed air. Once done, hold the power button for 10-15 seconds to force a basic power reset. This clears transient firmware hangups. Make sure to try a second charger and cable so you isolate the adapter versus the device itself. You now move into deeper diagnosis. First, perform the model-specific hard reset, often ESC plus refresh plus power or a tiny reset pinhole. Then remove all peripherals so nothing draws odd current. If it still won't power, create a Chrome OS recovery USB and attempt to boot from it. Success indicates OS corruption rather than hardware failure. Also verify adapter voltage and amperage. A low-watt or damaged charger can supply enough to run the Chromebook but not charge the battery, so swapping with a correct spec adapter will confirm that possibility. You finish by choosing the right remedy. If recovery USB boots, reinstall Chrome OS and verify charging afterwards because corrupted firmware can block power management. If software isn't the issue, test with a replacement battery or have the DC jack and power circuitry inspected. Loose solder or a failing charging IC is common. If everything fails, try this key troubleshooting tip. Isolate components in sequence. Test with a different charger, then a known good battery, then consult a repair shop for board-level diagnostics. This narrows the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.